Why do we get hiccups? And how to stop them? Hiccups, those annoying hic sounds we can't control. Whether they strike during a meal, a meeting, or out of nowhere, they're equal parts puzzling and frustrating. But why do they happen? And how can you stop them fast? Today, we'll explore the science behind hiccups and share 5 proven methods to silence them for good. Let's get started. Hiccups start with a sudden, involuntary spasm of your diaphragm, the muscle below your lungs that controls breathing. When it contracts unpredictably, your vocal cords snap shut, creating that classic hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, gulping carbonated drinks, sudden excitement, or even temperature changes. But sometimes, hiccups are just your body's quirky way of saying, hey, something's up. Now let us discuss some methods to abort hiccup. Method 1, hold your breath. Hold your breath. This age-old trick works by increasing carbon dioxide in your bloodstream, which calms the diaphragm. Take a deep breath, hold it for 10 seconds, then exhale slowly. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Studies show this method resets the phrenic nerve, the culprit behind those spasms. Method 2, sip ice water. Sip ice-cold water slowly. The cold temperature shocks the vagus nerve, which connects your brain to your gut. This interrupts the hiccup reflex. For stubborn hiccups, try swallowing while pinching your nose, it adds pressure to reset your breathing rhythm. Method 3, sugar swallow trick. The sugar swallow trick. A teaspoon of granulated sugar stimulates the throat muscles and vagus nerve. Let it dissolve on your tongue before swallowing. Research from the Journal of the American Medical Association found this stops hiccups in 95% of cases. Method 4, paper towel/straw technique. The paper towel method. Place a single layer of paper towel over a glass of water and sip through it. The extra effort required to pull water through the towel forces your diaphragm and throat muscles to coordinate, breaking the hiccup cycle. A 2022 study in BMJ case reports confirmed this works. Method 5, Valsalva maneuver. The Valsalva maneuver. Pinch your nose, close your mouth, and gently try to exhale for 10 to 15 seconds. This increases pressure in your chest, resetting your diaphragm's rhythm. Doctors often recommend this for stubborn hiccups, just don't overdo the force. Prevention tips. To prevent hiccups, avoid eating too quickly, limit fizzy drinks, and steer clear of sudden temperature swings, like gulping hot coffee followed by ice water. Stress and excitement can also trigger them, so practice mindful breathing if you're feeling overwhelmed. Most hiccups vanish in minutes, but if they last over 48 hours, see a doctor. Persistent hiccups could signal underlying issues like nerve damage, acid reflux, or even rare neurological conditions. Better safe than sorry. Next time hiccups strike, you'll be ready. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more bite-sized science. Stay curious, and see you next time.